Exhaust Specialties is a place to go for quality, friendly, reliable service. Whether you ride in a custom street rod, a classic show car, or your daily driver, we have the products and experience that you expect and deserve. Foreign and domestic vehicles welcome. Exhaust Specialties has been family owned since 1989 and proudly serves Muskegon and West Michigan. Come check out their new location at 5401 East Apple Avenue, west of Wolf Lake Road, 2 doors down from Mr. Quick. Exhaust Specialties. Exhaust Specialties at their new location can take care of all your exhaust needs, along with minor auto repairs. Specializing in custom exhaust work, foreign and domestic, classic, Model Ts. Exhaust Specialties has a pipe bender to fit any pipe on any vehicle. Heavy gauge pipe for single and duals. Open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. Exhaust Specialties. Offer a parts department for custom exhaust and auto repair. Call Exhaust Specialties. Family owned and serving West Michigan since 1989. Now in their new location. Exhaust Specialties is the place to go for quality, friendly, reliable service. Family owned since 1989 and proudly serves Muskegon and West Michigan. Remember the name, Exhaust Specialties.